Hello YouTube, look what's back! It's the beat! I've stolen it. I haven't stolen it. But it's here, and it's on the Dyno. We're going to do a rolling road. This is the smallest engine car, I think, I've ever put on the rolling road. What was a 2CV? 602cc or 652cc? What's this? I don't know. Why am I asking you? It's my video. I'm supposed to know, but I don't. But I do know it's supposed to have 63 horsepower, and it's at 1,000,000 RPM. So I'm going to now spin it up and see how much of that 63 horsepower it still has. The owner seems to think there's a helicopter going over, and I can't hear anything at the moment. The owner seems to think that the most beats when they hit the dyno are in the 50s, which I don't want to be the case. I want it to be amazing. I want it to hit the numbers. But I'm more interested to see what shape the graph's like, because I imagine it's going to start quite low, and then when it gets like 5,000 or 6,000 RPM, suddenly go up like that. It's like VTEC, but without the VTEC. So yeah, let's do it. Let's spin up this beast. Bit sooty. Are we ready for the moment of truth? Ooh, not bad, not bad. I stopped, I stopped and it indicated 8,000 there, but I think the revs might be slightly out of whack, because that suggests... Oh no, so I stopped at... indicated 8,000, but it was actually on here, it thinks it was about 7,550. Maybe the well, one of them isn't quite there, but bit of a dip early on. Gearing is so short that it was actually doing 30 miles an hour in 4th gear at 3,000 revs. So 176 pound-foot. That's not accurate. It's actually that 44. Okay, that's cute. Right. 58.5. Well, she's doing all right. She's doing all right. I think that's the first 3-cylinder car I've had on here. I think. But I think she's got more to give. That was the first run. That's normally the wake-up run. Please excuse the mess. I didn't get a chance to clean it in here today because the computer on the rolling road died. And I had to rebuild a new one. So that's like, yeah. But... let's save that. So basically, we're just going to see which of Hubnut's cars this can beat. Right, let's have a look. Run 2. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Now, there's no point really revving it above. Zoom you in. There's no point really revving it above an indicated 7,000 revs. I mean, well, there is. It is still climbing. So, I was going to say there's no point revving it above 7,000 RPM. There is, because it is climbing, and the peak is actually there, which is 7,888, but it looks like it's got more to give. And to be fair, if it's supposed to be 63, you would assume that that curve is probably supposed to go, well, where's 63? 63 is here. Yeah, so that would be about right. So it's just lost that last little bit on the end. I think it would hit the 63. Sorry, I'm moving you around a lot. It would hit the 63. I think if the line, the trajectory had climbed on the way that it looks like it's trying to. 45 pound-foot of torque, it's 6,000 revs nearly. Wow. I mean, you could tow a caravan with it, but it would need to be a Playmobil one. We'll give her one more go, see if she can break into the 60s for the man, and also because it's fun. Hilda looks on, thinking, why aren't you putting me on there? Well, you're already on there. You're on the list, look. There. So, right. Let's go in car with this one. And you can see what it's like to be in a Honda Beat when you're doing a dyno run. Okay, so we are in the Beat. The machine is ready. I'm going to start in second gear. And the rollers are going. The rollers don't actually kick in until 30 miles an hour, which you won't know because of the kph speedo. That's about 25 miles an hour. Can you hear me? Look at that! It's funky. You send up a flare if it all goes wrong. So I've got my foot on the clutch until I can come off the clutch now because it stopped recording. So yeah, go and see what it made that time. Real time this is. I'm going to hold the camera. Real time. Oh. Do not walk on that. You will go horizontal very quickly. I think that run might be getting a little bit... Oh yeah. Something not right. That check engine light may indicate something. So it's trying, but it can't get above the 59. Oh well. Still pretty good. Oh. Right, so, there you go. About 59. Not quite the 63 it's meant to have. It's only lost 4 though, but when you've only got 63 to start with, 4 is quite a lot. Now, I wanted to get this one on here because I'm also doing Dump It in a minute. You'll see that in a different video, but I'm going to do Dump It, my Peugeot 106, and I think Dump It is going to beat this. Dump It is supposed to have 60, but it's a Peugeot, which means it's underquoted. So yeah, wow. That was fun. That was fun. I think there's some stuff going on. Perhaps some rich mixture, something going on, check engine light. Yeah, I think she's probably got more to give. But it's given quite a lot already. Really, it wants Larry cams and a 10,000 RPM rev limit, doesn't it? Right, to the board. So where does our little cave friend go? The Honda Beat. Well, it beat Giselle. GSA, which I know Ian doesn't own anymore. Somebody owns that now. Yeah. The Honda Beat got 59 brake horsepower, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 down on the book figure. So that is kind of regrettable, but that car, I think that car is running a little bit rich, and I think it will improve. Oh, it'll do it. No, I've stuck it. It's too late. It's on. There you go. Honda Beat goes 3rd place. Look at that. Vecchi improved, and it didn't even do anything.